dear aspirants, in order to continue chemical properties of benzene, as they classified into majorly two types. The commonly occurring chemical reactions by benzene and aromatic compounds is electrophilic substitution reaction. Previously we observed halogenation, nitration, HNO3 and H2S4 is added, halogenation, Cl2Br2 added in the presence of Lewis acid like AlCl3 anhydrous AlCl3. Next continuation is sulfonation. Sulfonation has also happened with fuming sulfuric acid, the combination of sulfuric acid and SO3. Now the continuation is Friedel-Crafts alkylation is also second year. So if you are good, nitration, chlorination, halogenation also will come repeated in different compounds with benzene ring. On benzene ring, these type of reactions are common. Yes, what is Friedel-Crafts alkylation? Alkylation means we have to take alkyl halide. As how is this alkyl group mentioned? That is CN H2N plus 1. In this manner alkyl group is mentioned. Alkyl group is introduced into the benzene ring is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So what you are taken, benzene as usual, draw this structure or C6H6 formula. 6 corners are there, 6 hydrogens, and it is treated with methyl chloride. Yes, methyl chloride is an example of one alkyl halide. So its name methyl chloride. To perform this reaction, catalyst is required, that is as usual Lewis acid, that is anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3 has to produce as what is introduced on benzene. One of the corners, the hydrogen from one of the corners replaced by CH3. It is a substitution reaction and the electrophile is CH3 plus, will be explained later. No problem. This is CH3 and this is Cl and this hydrogen is removed as HCl, and CH3 benzene is known as methyl benzene, and a popular name is also there, that is toluene. Toluene, different pronunciations are happening. Toluene, toluene is produced. Yes, it is accepted IUPAC name, and both are considered as this common name taken as IUPAC name, and as usual methyl benzene is another name. This is yes, statement carries one mark. How do we write the statement regarding this one? Here benzene, this is benzene, react with CH3Cl is chloromethane or methyl chloride, common name methyl chloride, in the presence of, as on arrow mark what is written, anhydrous, in the presence of Lewis acid like in the presence of Lewis acid, anhydrous AlCl3, then what is produced? To give methyl benzene. Yes, to give methyl benzene. This is required, dear students, as statement 1 mark, equation 1 mark. Yes, what is the continuation of this one? Let's complete this reaction. This is benzene treated with ethyl chloride C2H5Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. What is the product asked? So how do you write the answer? Just your concentration is, you have to concentrate on this one. C2H5 group is introduced on benzene ring. Answer is benzene ring. At any one corner you have to write C2H5. What is its name? What is its name? C2H5 name is ethyl, and it has no special name like toluene. Ethyl benzene. Okay, next. Suppose if you treat, as it is a tricky one, what is produced in this case? Yes, CET oriented. This is benzene N-propyl chloride, CH3, CH2, CH2. Okay, take bromide, N-propyl bromide, N-propyl bromide. Yes, give rise in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. As generally what is expected, here the bond is broken. Where is the bond broken? Here the bond is broken, and CH2, CH2, CH3 is to be attacked. But the electrophile formed is ethyl carbocation. Sorry, propyl carbocation is here produced. So in this propyl carbocation, it undergoes rearrangement. As what is produced here? CH3, CH2, CH2 plus produced, and it rearranges to CH3, CH plus CH3. This is to be learned by the student. Isopropyl carbocation is produced, that is attacked, and the product is not N-propyl benzene, and you have to write CH, CH3, CH3, but not on terminal carbon. So middle carbon is a change, and it is isopropyl benzene. Its name is isopropyl benzene. Is very useful reagent compound in the second year discussions. Isopropyl benzene, also known as cumene. These things you have to cumene. These things you have to learn. If here very easy in the second year. So the intermediate is this one. Rearrangement is internal idea. Will be discussed in later classes also. Next one is same Friedel-Crofts reaction should give specificity like acylation. Acylation means what is acyl group? R C double bond O is acyl group with halogen. This is acyl halide. Yes. Where is the bond broken? The bond broken is here, and we are going to attach C double bond O R group. We are going to attach on benzene ring, and this is the carbocation formed. Acyl carbocation is intermediate formed, that is. So now let us take the example in this case. Yes, benzene ring taken, that is benzene. Yes, example to R is CH3, CO, Cl. You can also write without showing bonds, and its name is acetyl chloride. As usual, the reagent is anhydrous AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3. Then what is produced? Yes, observe, benzene ring as usual recorded. As attachment should be C double bond O CH3. We are writing CH3CO, and some students are joining with the CH3CO end. That is not possible. Here the bond is broken, and where the bond is broken, at the same area new bond will be formed is the idea, and it is known as acetophenone. This group is red marked one is aceto, and it is phenone. If you are interested to know the IUPAC name, this is first carbon, second carbon, and it is side chain C6H5 known as phenyl. Phenyl at first carbon, one phenyl, as two carbon chain is ether. Single bonds are given by AN, and it is a ketone, ethanone, ONE. This is IUPAC name, your interest. And other product is this Cl, this one of the hydrogens removed as HCl. And the electrophile formed is RCO plus electrophile is here produced. Yes. The same reaction can also be performed with another reagent. So acetylating agent is, yes, what is acetylating agents to perform this reaction? Agents, they are CH3COCl, CH3CO twice O. Its name is acetic anhydride. Already its name is recorded above. It is acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Yes. Any other reagent? Yes. These are the reagents used to perform this reaction. So by using second one more example we have to take as complete the reaction. Benzene plus CH3CO twice O as in the presence of anhydrous. AlCl3 is Friedel-Crofts catalyst is Friedel-Crofts reaction. The catalyst used in Friedel-Crofts catalyst is anhydrous. AlCl3 is your answer, and you got the product in this manner. Yes, what you have to introduce? COCH3 name is present, and another one CH3COO with hydrogen, and you got a byproduct CH3COOH. Yes, what is the statement? Come to writing statement here. I would like to insert in the small area. Yes, benzene reacts with acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to give what is produced? Toluene. No, acetophenone. Is your answer. Okay, this is carries 1 mark, this equation 1 mark. Sometimes complete the reaction may be asked, so prepare well in this manner. Next continuation is reactions under special conditions is very rare cases. Previously discussed nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, Friedel-Crofts alkylation, acylation will be repeated in the second year without fail with a different compounds similar to benzene, like chlorobenzene, phenol, benzaldehyde, benzoic acid, aniline, or such compounds similar to benzene. So those reactions will be repeated in second year portion also. So be familiar with these reactions and enjoy the information in the second year. Now the special reactions are addition reactions. Addition reaction is very rare cases. Reasons will be taken very soon. Don't bother. Addition reaction, even though it is a highly unsaturated compound, but not generally undergo addition reactions. So what you are taken as usual, benzene C6H6. Yes, you can also represent in this manner as in the textbook it is given like this. This is also correct. Yes, you just mark it. That is also correct, no problem at all. And you can also write C6H6, your convenience. Yes, this benzene is added with hydrogen by heating in the presence of catalyst nickel, and we have to heat the mixture. What is happened as the bonds, 5 bonds are broken and 6 hydrogens are introduced. Already 6 hydrogens and 6 more hydrogens. You got a compound like this. Yes, just you have to draw. And we have a habit write inside circle. If you write inside circle benzene into benzene, that is wrong information. As a simple answer is C6, 6 hydrogens plus 6 hydrogen, 12 hydrogens, and its name is cyclohexane. Yes, this is you have to practice, and the same reaction can also be carried out in other catalysts like palladium, platinum. Okay, this you have to practice. Sentence: benzene is added with hydrogen, react with hydrogen in the presence of nickel to give cyclohexane is your answer. Next one is halogenation. Yes, same benzene is taken and treated with chlorine, but previously anhydrous AlCl3 is used, but here only sunlight is used or heating. We are heating ultraviolet rays, very highly energetic radiation, or 500 Kelvin. Higher temperatures are required. And what is observed? Yes, chlorine atoms are added in this manner. Already what are present? Hydrogen atoms are present on all corners. Yes, here also I would like to show for your better understanding. This is C6H6, previously not shown, not required. Just in this case for understanding purpose, 6 chlorines, the bond is broken. Here 2 chlorine atoms are introduced. Yes, each area, this chlorine, new chlorine, new chlorine, new chlorine, new chlorine, new chlorine. Yes, it is C6H6, Cl6. 3 atoms are 666. It is known as Lindane 666. Lindane 666. What is the meaning of 666? 6 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms, 6 chlorine atoms. This is competitive purpose, and the name is Gamaxine. As it has many isomers, one of the isomers is very effective to kill germs. So it is a germicide. Correct? Gamaxine, and its name is benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride. Shortcut BHC. Observe, this is Gamaxane, ANE, Gamaxane, and it is benzene hexachloride, nothing but as used as germicide or pesticide to kill pests. Is extra information. Next one is oxidation reaction. It's very simple. Heating any organic compound in the presence of excess of air, what happened? So this is benzene, one of the organic compounds, heated with excess of 1 mole of this one taken, 15/2 moles of oxygen, excess oxygen. All carbons are converted into carbon dioxide. How many carbons? 6. And all hydrogens are converted into water vapor, that is H2O. Along with these two common products, large amount of heat is liberated, plus heat. Yes, this is an exothermic process, and if it is oxygen is insufficient, it burns with insufficient oxygen. Insufficient oxygen, as it burns with smoky flame, smoky or sooty flame. Already we discussed. This is end of properties of hydrocarbons, aromatic hydrocarbons, benzene. Yes, what is the summary? The summary is benzene treated with HNO3 and H2SO4 in the presence of some heat energy is required, and you got. Next, Cl2 in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, that is chlorination. SO3 with H2SO4. Next, CH3Cl in the presence of AlCl3, CH3COCl in the presence of AlCl3 anhydrous. Next, 3 moles of chlorine in the presence of AlCl3. Complete Friedel-Crafts. These are all electrophilic substitution reactions. Clear? Yes. How do you remember all these things? Here, what is the group introduced? NO2 group is introduced here. NO2 group is introduced. Here, Cl is introduced. Here, SO3H is introduced on benzene ring. And here, CH3 introduced. Here, COCH3 introduced to benzene ring. Here, total chlorines are added. So, how is that one? Yes, these are all introduced to C6H5, 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 and the names are very will be given C6H5. Yes, it is a nitrobenzene, it is chlorobenzene, it is benzene sulfonic acid, it is toluene, it is acetophenone, and it gives benzene ring as chlorine, hexachlorobenzene. Correct? Benzene hexachloride, hexachlorobenzene. Hexachlorobenzene, this is hexachlorobenzene, and the previous one is benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride, and this is benzene ring is there. This is different one. Don't get confusion with these things. And it is benzene, hexachlorobenzene. Hexachlorobenzene. Okay, so don't get confusion. Yes, this is a frequently asking one, and we have many doubts regarding the previous reactions. Those doubts will be clarified by following this information. Mechanism is the sequence of steps required to explain the formation of product from the reactant with the different steps in the sequence. This is called as by showing energy changes and breaking bonds and making bonds. All these are included, known as mechanism. And this is electrophilic substitution reaction. So benzene undergoes substitution reaction. In the place of hydrogen, one or more hydrogens replaced by another atom or group of atoms introduced, and that introducing particle is electron deficient one, that is electrophile, will be seen very soon. And in this case, what are the steps here involved? That is, yes, steps involved in the mechanism. The first one is formation of electrophile. Yes, how do we understand? By taking an example of chlorination. Suppose if I take chlorination, example is to be taken simultaneously. Chlorination, yes, this is Cl2 in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. AlCl3 is Lewis acid, correct? Lewis acid. So it is electron deficient, and it takes chlorine, one chlorine like this. It is taking chlorine like this, and AlCl3 becomes AlCl4 with minus charge. If you are comfortable, better to write like this, plus this Cl without bonding electrons, that Cl is resulted with a positive charge. So this is heterolytic cleavage of a covalent bond, and the name of the electrophile is chloronium ion. Chloronium ion. Okay, right. This is formation of electrophile as example of chlorination taken. Second step is this electrophile is attacking on benzene ring to form. What will happen? Let us see. Yes, we have to show double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, and show one hydrogen for our convenience. Other hydrogens also there, no need to connect. And here what is attacked? This Cl plus is attacked. How? By cleavage of A. Yes. If these electrons are shifted here, it is a negative charge. This negative charge is inviting this one. Are you following? Yes. Which one this is? Now it becomes sp. 2 carbon now becomes, yes. Then better to write the same benzene ring. Here double bond undisturbed, this double bond undisturbed, and here the bond is disappeared, and here by giving electrons to this one, this becomes carbon with positive charge, and this hydrogen attached with chlorine. And what is disturbed? Aromaticity is disturbed. Aromatic character is disturbed, and this is known as formation of carbon with positive charge is known as carbocation. So next step is formation of carbocation intermediate. formation of carbocation intermediate as for reference, this is stabilized by resonance. This is stabilized by resonance. Stabilized by resonance. Yes, observe, the same one is to be copied. Here carbon with positive charge, right, and here chlorine, and this is hydrogen. Okay, and how is it stabilized? Yes, this is resonance stabilization. What is resonance? The relative positions of atoms not changed, only bonds are changed. Lone pair and bond pair electrons are changed. Overall number of pairs are same. Okay, these electrons are shifted here, and what will happen? That bond is disappeared, and here a positive charge is resulted. Shifting of positive charge from this top carbon to this left hand side bottom carbon, and this is a new pi bond, and here hydrogen as usual and chlorine as usual, and old bond is as usual. Clear? Yes. Now another shifting is there. Then means the immediately formed carbocation start delocalization, and these electrons are shifted to compensate this positive charge. Then what is observed? Yes, draw the same structure. Where is the new old one? This is old bond, and this is hydrogen, this is chlorine previously, and here a new pi bond is formed, and this pi bond is disappeared, and here to write. This patience is very, very important. Observation is very important. Yes. Then after this, yes, here in order to maintain, it is going on. Here such information is not there, so it want to pull electrons from this CH bond. Why? Because CCl bond is stronger than CH bond. The CH bonding electrons are pulled and retain aromaticity. So next step is removal of hydrogen is a very, very important step, and it is a slow step. So this one of the steps is, this is slow step. Slow step is known as rate determining step, will be studied in the second year without fail. Yes, the third step is removal of proton. What we are going to do? Removal of proton from which one? As aryl erinium ion, carbocation. This carbocation can also be known as erinium ion. Erinium ion, carbocation. As for what purpose it is removed? By removal, aromaticity of the ring is retained, and this step is a very fast step. Removal of carbocation. Yes, that's sufficient. Removal of proton from carbocation is a sufficient. Carbocation intermediate. The word is used in the previous case. Carbocation intermediate. Okay, dear students, what you have to draw? Copying. Copying of the product as reactant, reactant into new product, like that. So this is a H, and this is Cl. Here sorry, yes, observe, here positive charge is there, here a double bond, here a double bond, aromatic character is lost, and these CH sigma bond electrons are delocalized, and it is removed by Al. Cl4 minus is playing a role, which is formed in the first step. As it is fast step. So this is a style we are writing. One of the steps is slow, some are fast steps, like that we are going to show. First step is also fast step. Yes, why it is fast step? As retainment of aromaticity is the driving force of this fast step. And what you are doing? Same cyclohexane. and Cl is as usual here in the place of one hydrogen. Yes, here what is regenerated? New pi bond is regenerated, already old pi bond is there, plus AlCl4 becomes AlCl3, and this Cl minus removes H as HCl, and this is the last step. This you have to practice and other things will be continued. Good luck.